Welcome to our programming channel. Today we are going to see jQuery animate method. jQuery animate method is used to create custom animations. jQuery animate syntax. $selector dot animate parameters, comma, speed, comma, callback function. $selector selects HTML element on which animation will be applied. Parameters defines the CSS properties used for animation. Speed optional parameter. It is duration of animation. We can set the speed here. It can be in milliseconds or predefined duration like slow, fast, normal. Callback function optional parameter. A function which executes after the animation is completed. The CSS property value is changed gradually to create an animated effect. By default, the position of all the elements in an HTML page is static. So, during animation, we have to set the position of the HTML element to relative, fixed, or absolute. We can use properties like height, top, left, opacity, etc. We cannot use non-numeric properties such as background color in jQuery animate method. We can use hide, show, and toggle value to hide and show the animated element. This is HTML page animate.html script source jquery.js. This is downloaded file of jQuery and this is animate support.js. In this we will write code for jQuery. We are going to take two images. First image, ID of this image img garage, and image file is garage.png. Height is equal to 250 pixels, width is equal to 300 pixels. ID for second image is img car and image file is car.png, width is equal to 200 pixels. And here we are taking button and ID of this button is btn drive and text on the button will be start test drive. In style we have taken id, so hash img car. Position must be relative. This is the HTML page. We are going to perform main coding in animate support.js file, in which we will write coding of jQuery for animate method. In animate support.js, first we will write jQuery's basic function. So dollar document dot ready, and here function, curly braces open and close, and semicolon. Dollar, when we will click the button, then animation will be performed. So here copy id of button and paste button id, so hash click event of button, function, curly braces. We want to perform animation on this image element img car, so dollar copy this img car and paste id selector hash dot animate. Animate method in curly braces, we are going to give css properties. Property left, 400 pixels, and if we click on this button start test drive, now this image of car is shifted 400 pixels at right side. Now we can see that because of this left 400 pixels, the image has taken margin of 400 pixel from left side from its initial position. So we can see that image has moved from left to right hand side. Now for further animation, copy this code and paste here, and if we see here, now here left 400 pixels, so here we give 700 pixels. So here we can see initially car moved from here to here, and because of second animation car moved from here to here. Here we can give other properties also. Width of car is 200 pixels, so width of car 100 pixels, and here comma is must, and here comma is not necessary. Now if we click on this button, here we can see size of this image is decreased because we have decreased the width, so automatic height is also decreased. Now here we can give the speed fast, here comma is necessary, So now we can see car is moving with speed or slow, or here we can give the speed in milliseconds also. Size of car is decreasing slowly. We give here 4000 milliseconds or 4 seconds. Then it is decreasing very slowly. Our car traveled long distance, so we can see the size of car small. Copy the first code. Now we want to reverse the car. Because of this speed, there may be confusion, and we can give the next code here, and if we give here 300 pixels, we can see this result. So here take care of this code must be present here. Now car will come reverse. Size is not changed, so here width must be 200 pixels. So now left must be 0 pixels. Now coming reverse, and it is coming fastly. In reality or in real life, with this speed it will hit to garage, so here speed must be slow. Speed 6000. Now reverse of our car is proper. Now we want to take this car away from garage, or we want to take this car at home, so car must be disappear or hide. We are using the property hide or value hide. Now we are testing the car. It is traveled long distance. Now it is coming reverse. Reverse is proper. Testing is done. So we are taking the car at home. So it is disappeared. We want to disappear the car with fast speed. Now our test drive of car is completed successfully. We can also pass optional parameter callback function after speed, comma, then function in curly braces. We can type message alert alert test drive is okay. We can see alert message test drive is okay. In this way, callback function executes after animation is completed. So we can see the message. Similarly, we can use callback function in previous animation also. Copy this function and in second animation after speed of 4 milliseconds or 4 seconds, comma, paste, and here curly braces is missing and message is check reverse. Check reverse of car. Now we can see alert message check reverse of car. Then and we can see another alert message test drive is okay. In this way, both the callback functions are executed. That's all for jQuery animate method. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.